He looks like a model now. I'm super proud.
When I came in, I just knew I needed some stuff to happen. I felt like I looked a little bit old and tired.
We rejuvenated his face by adding some volume here and got rid of the bags under the eyes, and we gave him some contour to the cheekbones. This jawline, there's a nice jaw angle back here and it comes forward very straight, and the chin is nice and square, straight bridge, nasal tip looks nice and defined.
I took my son to a football camp, and one of the guys that said, "What position do you play?" You know, he thought I was registering, and I was like, I'm just with him, man.
Actually, looking back, I was kind of laughing. I was like, oh yeah, you know, you kind of look like an engineer. But now he looks like a sports guy.
A barista that I was with my son, and she asked me if I was going home to college. And my son was just like, no way, that happened twice, Dad.
Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team here.
The compliments I get and just the way that I feel is probably the biggest thing. So there's a lot of self-confidence there, and I'm sure that exudes out of me.